Organic coconut sugar might be the one swap that actually changes everything for migraine sufferers, and almost nobody is talking about it. Here is what is happening inside a migraineur's body that makes sweetener choice so critical. People who experience migraines have a neurological system that is already hypersensitive. According to the research of Angela Stanton, PhD, author of Fighting the Migraine Epidemic, migraineurs process glucose and electrolytes differently than non-migraineurs. Their brains are essentially running hotter and burning through sodium, potassium, and magnesium at a faster rate. So when a migraineur consumes standard refined sugar, artificial sweeteners, or even erythritol, the resulting blood sugar spike followed by a crash creates the exact neurological conditions that trigger an attack. That volatility is the enemy. Organic coconut sugar comes from the sap of coconut palm flower blossoms. Farmers hand harvest that sap, gently heat it, and evaporate the moisture until it crystallizes naturally. Nothing synthetic, nothing added. The result is a low glycemic index sweetener, sitting around 35 compared to regular sugar at 65, which means blood sugar stays dramatically more stable. Beyond glycemic index, coconut sugar naturally contains inulin, a fiber that slows glucose absorption even further. It also carries trace amounts of potassium, magnesium, and zinc, which are the exact electrolytes Stanton identifies as depleted in migraine-prone individuals. Standard sugar feeds the crash. Artificial sweeteners confuse the nervous system entirely. Coconut sugar quietly stabilizes it. If you live with migraines and you are still using regular sugar or sugar substitutes, this one change could genuinely reduce your attack frequency. Your brain deserves fuel that works with it, not against it. Every single person who watches this video has the power to change someone else's life today. Subscribing to TaylorIt takes 1 second, but creates a ripple that reaches people across the entire world. Hit like, share this with someone who needs it, and drop your location in the comments because seeing where our community reaches genuinely excites us. Together, we are building something real. Join us and help others find this too.